What's the meaning of biochemical? Biochemical. Biochemical.
Biochemical. Biochemical. Biochemical refers to the study of chemical processes within living organisms. It encompasses a diverse range of scientific fields, including molecular biology, genetics, and biochemistry. Biochemical research aims to understand the chemical reactions and metabolic pathways that occur in cells and tissues, as well as the molecular mechanisms underlying physiological processes such as digestion, respiration, and immune function. This knowledge is critical for developing new medicines, understanding diseases, and improving human health. Biochemical techniques are also widely used in many other fields, such as agriculture, food science, and environmental science, to improve our understanding of biological systems and their interactions with the environment.